Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add custom field in order notes section in checkout page in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page and then you see order notes section. So we are going to add custom field by using custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this all code in video description or in comment section. Now you see this is our WooCommerce hook position, WooCommerce before order notes. So we are going to display custom field in order notes section, and then you see function, and then you see card number. So when we highlight car underscore number, then you see, so you can use same text on all location. Now scroll down, in code you see car underscore number. Now here you see, now you see multiple text. So you can add same text on all location. Now all car underscore number highlighted. Now scroll up, you see type text, and then you see class, form row wide, label, car model number, and this is placeholder text, and then you see field required, false. If you want to required field, then add true here like this, but we are going to use false because we are going to add optional field. And then you see get value of car underscore number, and then you see validation field. Now you see we are going to get data, you see post statement, car underscore number, and then you see some custom text. Now you see save and show new field in WooCommerce thank you page, order page and emails. So we are going to get car underscore number by using post method, and then you see WooCommerce thank you page. So we are going to show car model number, and then you see car underscore number. So you can customize text according to your requirement, and then scroll down, you see WooCommerce admin order data. So this is our order page. Now you see car model number again, and this is for emails, and now we are going to show car model number in also email for admin or user emails, and you will find all code in video description or in comment section. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page, refresh the page. Now you see custom field, car model number, and then you see optional. So we are going to fill the form 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is our car model number optional. Scroll down, now check, and then we are going to place order, so click on it. Now you see order received. Scroll down, and then you see car model number. Now back to dashboard. On left side you see WooCommerce, and then you see orders, so open it. So this is our recent order. Now click on it. Now edit order open and scroll down. Now you see car model number. So now we are going to check car model number on emails. Now go to emails. Now you see email new order, and then scroll down, you see car model number. So this is admin order new email. Now we are going to check user email. Now you see thank you for your order. So this is the user email. Scroll down. Now you see car model number. So our custom field show in thank you page, order page, email, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.